This is Earth, and this is also Earth. And Earth can do crazy and amazing things. As global sea temperatures rise, ice around the world begins to melt. The melting ice glaciers and polar ice caps add more water to the oceans, causing sea levels to rise. Higher sea levels then trap more heat, speeding up global warming and melting even more ice. This in the background is what's causing global warming and everything, and rising sea levels. And if we don't stop this, we will die.
What is causing sea levels to rise? There are multiple factors that contribute to rising sea levels. There are two big factors. Number one, thermal expansion. As the ocean absorbs heat from global warming, its water itself expands, increasing the total volume of the ocean. Two, melting ice. Glaciers and ice sheets in places like Greenland and Antarctica are melting at an accelerating rate to rising temperatures, adding large volumes of water into the ocean. Earth's energy balance is the equilibrium between incoming solar energy and outgoing terrestrial radiation, which keeps the planet's temperature stable. This balance is maintained through absorption of solar energy by the surface and atmosphere, reflecting some of that energy back into the clouds and ice, reflecting and emissions of heat from the Earth's surface and atmosphere. For the balance to hold, the energies coming must be equal to the energy going out. Otherwise, the planet will warm up or cool down. So, increasing atmospheric CO2 traps heat by absorbing and re-emitting infrared radiation, warming up the planet. Solar energy is absorbed by Earth, warming up the surface, and then it emits this energy as infrared radiation, aka heat. How will the warming trend affect future sea levels? Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is a natural process in which greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trap heat, warming up the Earth, keeping it at an inhabitable temperature. The warmer ocean water also expands in volume. Both melting ice and thermal expansion of the ocean cause sea levels to rise, leading to coastal flooding. Rising sea levels ultimately threaten coastal communities through chronic flooding, increased storm surge damage, and saltwater intrusion into freshwater supplies and ecosystems. But how does rising sea levels and global warming, does it affect everybody? Does it not? What's going on? Are we safe? Are we not? Nobody is safe when it comes to this. Rising sea levels and global warming affect everybody, even those far away from the coast, through impacts on the economy, health, food supply, and increased inland flooding. A bunch of other stuff too. How can we fix this? How can we as people slow the flow of energy on Earth to protect our future generations? What can we do? The way to basically fix this is that we must transition to renewable energy sources, increasing energy efficiency while also reducing overall consumption. This cuts down on pollution, and this will help us protect our future generations.
I just wanted to showcase some graphs, and this graph illustrates the change in global surface temperature relative to 1951 and 1980 average temperatures. This chart tracks monthly changes in ocean heat content for the entire water column from the top to the bottom of the ocean from 1992 to 2017. This is observed by satellites, in-water instruments, and computer models. Data from NASA's GRACE and GRACE follow-on satellites show that the ice land sheets in Greenland have been losing mass since 2002. The GRACE mission includes science operations in June 2017. Follow-on began data collection in June of 2018 and is now continuing the mass change data record. Look at our beautiful bay. There are so many things we can do to stop this, and it's important to us as people and as a whole community to do something about this. Thank you for listening.